We are here this morning at Geauga Park District's Veterans Legacy Woods talking about a very unique restoration project, all for the sake of improving water quality here within the Cuyahoga River watershed. We are at a site that's being sponsored by the Ohio EPA, the WRRSP program, and it represents a number of interesting things that we're doing here. We're restoring a number of streams. We're taking out a couple of ponds for improved water quality. A very unique part of the project is creating a stream from scratch using cold groundwater resources in the hopes of eventually bringing out the endangered Ohio brook trout and introducing it to the stream system. This construction project represents a great collaboration between a number of organizations and agencies. Primarily the Chagrin River Watershed Partners were instrumental in helping us secure funding, and with that funding we then hired a team of 3 consultants, GPD Group, which were the engineers, EnviroScience, which had project oversight here and the biology of the stream and worked on that, and then the actual construction company is River Reach. So within the next year or so, we are planning on introducing the Ohio endangered brook trout back into this Coldwater stream that we've created. And the public will be able to come out here, walk a trail, and enjoy nature, see what we've done with the restoration, and really be educated about the importance of Coldwater streams in this area of Northeast Ohio.
Hi, I'm standing in one of our pool habitats that we've created for the brook trout. In total, there's going to be 37 pools along 1,660 linear feet of new stream that we're constructing here at Veterans Legacy Woods. That process takes a lot of people and a lot of machines, but we're maneuvering in and out of the trees and the woods to keep this stream in the shade for the fish and creating this important habitat. But here in this pool here, you've got one of the 37 pools that we're creating, is that we create a lot of wood, a lot of undercut habitat, a lot of overhead protection for these fish to keep them safe from predation. Give them lots of little nooks and crannies in here that they can hide, feed, and thrive throughout their whole life cycle. In between the pools, we have riffle areas, and those riffle areas are really kind of the food production for the trout and the stream, and some of the adult fish will migrate between the pools, but they're going to spend most of their life cycle in these pools. The primary water source is a spring. It's a perennial spring. It never shuts off. It's always running. We measured those flows and designed the stream to kind of work with that flow. We've also created and expanded a pond up there where the spring comes into to mimic a beaver pond, where these fish can actually migrate into that pond to overwinter, protect themselves from predation, to mimic kind of a natural habitat that these brook trout have evolved to over thousands of years.
We are here at the spring source of the stream. This is a mimic of a beaver pond.
And once that beaver pond fills up, we've got 2 outlets. This main stream outlet where the fish can migrate in and out for the winter or through the spring. And then we have an outlet behind me that we can lower for a flood simulation. We can drop several feet in this pond, send a gush of water through this stream.